Canaries, small, vibrant birds with yellow feathers, have a fascinating history that goes beyond their charming song. These avian creatures were once essential in coal mines, serving as an early warning system for miners in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Canaries are sensitive to low levels of carbon monoxide and other toxic gases that human senses can't detect. When exposed to these gases, canaries would become lethargic, lose their balance, and eventually die. Mine workers would carry canaries in cages while working underground. If the bird showed signs of distress, miners knew it was time to evacuate immediately, as the same harmful gases that affected the canary could potentially harm them as well. The use of canaries in mines saved countless lives, earning them the reputation as the miner's lifeline. While canaries are no longer used in modern mining due to advancements in safety technology, their legacy continues. The term canary in a coal mine is now used metaphorically to describe any early warning system that alerts us to potential dangers before they become catastrophic. Interestingly, canaries are also excellent indicators of air quality in general. Research has shown that they can detect changes in atmospheric pollution levels and even predict earthquakes. Canaries' sensitivity to environmental changes and their historical role as lifesavers make them more than just a pretty songbird. They are a testament to nature's warning systems and a reminder of the importance of monitoring our surroundings for potential hazards.